So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be doing an unboxing of my new action camera that is Insta360 Ace Pro. नाम बहुत ही बड़ा है लेकिन इसके जलवे भी बहुत बड़े हैं. So the reason behind purchasing this action camera and not going with the GoPro. Actually, previously I was thinking to purchase GoPro latest one, that GoPro 12. So I was planning to purchase that one, but later on मैंने सोचा कि like थोड़ी देर रुकते हैं, और recently ये launch हुआ और इसके तो फीचर बहुत ही बढ़िया थे. लाइक लो लाइट क्वालिटी तो बहुत ही बढ़िया थी इसकी. सो मैंने बहुत सारे रिव्यूज चेक किए और मोस्टली हम लोग ट्रैकिंग पे जाते हैं. सो अर्ली मॉर्निंग ट्रैक्स पे जाते हैं, नहीं तो लेट नाइट्स भी जाते हैं कैंपिंग के लिए, और तभी लाइक लो लाइट में गोप्रो बहुत ही स्ट्रगल करता है और स्टेबलाइजेशन भी बहुत ही अच्छा नहीं मिलता है. सो उसके लिए मुझे एक ऑलराउंड व्लॉगिंग कैमरा चाहिए था. एक्शन कैमरा तो नहीं लेकिन व्लॉगिंग कैमरा मैं बोल सकता हूँ. सो मुझे व्लॉगिंग कैमरा चाहिए था और तभी मैंने इस पे नज़र डाली. सो इसके जो लो लाइट कैपेबिलिटी है ना, वो बहुत ही बढ़िया है. स्टेबिलिटी भी बहुत ही अच्छी है. मैंने बहुत सारे रिव्यूज़ देखे हैं और इसकी स्टेबलाइजेशन और लो लाइट क्वालिटी मैं इस वीडियो में नहीं तो नेक्स्ट ट्रिप में आपको दिखाऊंगा और आपको बताऊंगा कि मैंने कौन से इस पे शूट किया है, क्योंकि मेरे पास GoPro 9 भी अभी रहेगा और ये तो मेरा अभी परमानेंट व्लॉगिंग कैमरा रहेगा. So without any further delay, let's just move into the unboxing part. But before that, let me show you other accessories that I have bought with this action camera. Let me just show you. This is the case, metal case for this action camera, and it has multiple jacks to attach the external mic or small flashlight and other stuffs. So next one is this selfie stick. This is from Teleson, and this selfie stick is made out of carbon fiber, and I prefer carbon fiber because they are much lighter as compared to the other selfie stick material like aluminum or any other plastic, which are not that much durable. Plastic one I'm referring to now. So I prefer this one. So the next one is this mic adapter. So I have this DJI mic with me. So to connect this DJI mic, I need a mic adapter for this action camera. So I bought this one, and it can charge and also use mic at the same time. So the next one is this tripod stand. So this is a normal tripod stand. I bought this one like on the go if I want to shoot some time lapse or any other shots where we don't require any motion. So that time we can use this one. Next one is screen guard for this action camera. So it has two screen guards because this camera has a flip screen. So yeah, tempered glass. So the next one is the SD card. So this is the SD card which I'll be using, और ये बहुत ही फास्ट है एक्चुअली, और इसकी स्पीड है 200 रीड एंड राइट इज़ 140. एंड ये मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा क्योंकि ये एक्शन कैमरा ऑलमोस्ट नहीं, ये एक्शन कैमरा 8K शूट करता है 30 FPS पे. एंड दिस SD card, this beast is really required to handle that much of writing capacity. So without any further delay, let's just dive into the unboxing part of this video. Let's go with the camera first. And here it is, my new action camera, vlogging camera. Let me just tell you what comes inside this box. First is the camera, of course, battery, then one mount, standard mount, then clips, adhesive clips, Type-C charger, and a quick manual guide. So we have to open it up from here. So wow. See this, guys, my new action camera, vlogging camera. So we'll remove that later on. First let's just see other stuffs from this box, sorry. Okay, so here you can see how to set up the camera as a quick menu or quick guide, you can say. This is a quick guide. So let's just keep this aside and let's see what comes inside this box. So the first thing in this box is the manual, which we don't read. Next thing is silicone bags required. Okay, so this is the mount, standard mount. Let me just open it later on. So this is the adhesive mount. You can mount this on a helmet or a windshield or anything. So yeah. Next is a charging cable, type C to type C. Yes. And some stickers, this Insta360 stickers. See this one. That's it from this box. Okay, so this is the standard mount. It's a magnetic mount, I guess. So अभी हम कैमरा की तरफ जाएंगे. So ये रहा कैमरा, और ये पूरा आपको निकालने नहीं मिलेगा ये बॉक्स. You have to just remove it like this and keep this aside. So this is my new action camera, vlogging camera, sorry. So this is my new vlogging camera. See this, guys. It's as heavy as GoPro, not that much also, but yeah, comparatively to the GoPro, it's slightly bulky. I feel like that. And that's it. Okay, पहले मैं आपको ये दिखाता हूँ. यहाँ पे दो बटन्स है, सो उनको प्रेस करके ये स्क्रीन फ्लिप अप करनी पड़ती है. Flip up screen. So while vlogging, it's really helpful. You get this front display. Here you will get all the this thing details about the shooting profile, like 4K, then frame rates, and any other, all the details. The only thing that I worry about this camera is that हम ये lens नहीं निकाल सकते. ये lens inbuilt है, so we can't remove this lens. But उसकी कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. Actually कुछ होता नहीं वो हम लोगों के साथ. So yeah, so this is the camera. We'll turn it on later on. Let's go with the other accessories. So the next one is this case. So this is a metal case, as I said. Here it is. Okay, wow, you get this lens covers. You get this lens covers on this with this case. And the case is also really nice and lightweight. It will not add up much weight as compared to that of the GoPro Media Mode. It's slightly heavy. It's plasticky, but slightly heavier side. This is metallic, but it doesn't feel like a metal. Lightweight in terms of weight, I'm saying. So the next one is mic adapter. Here also you will get some manuals how to attach this adapter, but we will not read this. We'll just directly do the practicals. So this is the adapter. See this one. So this is the adapter. I'll give all the links of this accessories in the description. So if you want to purchase them, then you can go to the links and then purchase those. So the next one is selfie stick. First one is this mounting shoe. Then one thumb screw. And here is the stick. Let me just see what this is. This is just a normal note. I don't know. And this is the guide how to extend this selfie stick. So this also will not read. पढ़ने का काम नहीं करते हम लोग. So this is the selfie stick. Let's just keep this aside. We'll remove this selfie stick now. And wow, this is really nice. There's one grip. यहाँ पे बहुत ही अच्छी grip भी है. So ये रही selfie stick और ये बहुत ही lightweight भी है as compared to the others. Previously I was using this tripod stand sort of, but this is really nice and lightweight. So yes, that's a selfie stick. So the next one is this tripod stand, mini handle plus tripod stand. This I bought for my gimbal because that the gimbal stand was like wobbling. That's why I bought this one, and it is really nice. This one is really nice because it has this option to tighten these arms. So if these arms, if you feel like these arms are too loose or anything, so that time you can just tighten this one and it will be sturdy just like this. So I'll use this one with my selfie stick sometimes, or otherwise I'll use this with my gimbal. Tempered glass. So let me just open it. Okay. ये रहा उसका टेम्पर्ड ग्लास. एक्चुअली 3 ग्लासेस है इसमें, एक लेंस के लिए, फिर बाद में दूसरा है स्क्रीन के लिए और एक सेकेंडरी स्क्रीन के लिए जो फ्रंट में रहती है उसके लिए. So let me just give a small details about this camera. So it can shoot up to 8K 30 fps and 4K 120 fps. Along with that, it has some really nice features like AI highlighted assistant. That is really actually nice feature in this camera. Also, this can shoot HDR videos at 4K 30 fps only. Future might be updating to 4K 60. So we are not sure about that. There's not any confirmation regarding that. So that's it from this video. और इसके रिव्यू मैं बहुत ही जल्दी दूंगा, और रिसेंटली बहुत सारे ट्रेवल्स है, सो उसमें ये यूज़ करूंगा, सो आप लोगों को पता चलेगा कि इसके फुटेजेस कैसे लगते हैं. So that's it from this video, and if you like this video then do hit that like button and sub to my channel for future updates. You can also follow me on my Instagram page. I update my Insta page whenever I am on the go, so you will know which video will be coming next on YouTube. So with that said, I'll see you next time. Till then, take care and Dev Bare Karu.